Yes, hello, hello guys from John Atkins Grading and Landscaping Materials. My name is Naso Georgalis and I work with Epilysis Solutions in Charlotte. I'm the owner of a small business like yours, and what I'm doing is I'm working with landscaping material companies all over the country, and I was doing some research in your area and I came across your website. I figured I'd give you guys this quick little video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. I'll show you some of the things I can see that's working well for you and also what's working well for your competition. So I don't want to waste more of your time, neither mine. If by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can grow your business and help bring on new customers, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. Only thing I'm asking from you is to give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So let's get started. The 3 different topics I'm going to cover today is content, citations and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are usually saved with a name which is considered to be content that is readable by the search engines. Content in our front page should be typically around 1500 words, and although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count in order to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services or products. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you have to make sure that you add more keyword-rich content in your web page that is unique, and so that the search engines can help get your company ranked as high as possible. Unfortunately, content is something that web designers overlook, and as I said, a website needs nice and unique content that includes keywords in order to rank higher. So the second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And if we do a search here in Google about landscaping supply in Apex, North Carolina, NC, the first thing that we're going to see is this map over here that initially has 3 results, and if you want to see more you have to click over here, and as you can see you are not included in these 3 results. But what do we need in order to get there, and how do we rank in this map that we see? This has to do with citations, and I forgot to tell you that if you click here you will see that you are in the 8th position, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see my papers here. You are in the 5th place, in the 4th place. So you are doing a good work here. If we were doing a little bit more, we could have done it in the first 3 places. But let's see how you get there. So this has to do with citations. And what are citations? Someone might ask, and how do we get them, right? So, well, a citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in all different directories all throughout the internet. A good way to describe what a directory is, for example, Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp or any of those online sources or websites that give business owners the opportunity to list their business information and to provide them with another way of attracting new customers. So what would be tip number 2 is that, just as with citations, in order for us to beat the competition, we just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, and then you want to try to get in those same directories, because if it works for them, it is going to work also for you. However, you don't want to stop there. You want to see what they're doing, and then you want to try and do a little bit more in order to go into a higher position than them. And this, I think, in the case of the map, it can easily be done if you do some research and see what you can do better in order to get some more citations and be the one who is in the first 3 places. Now, the thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. And backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps over here. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. And so that could be, for instance, a landscaper that wrote an article in his blog for your company, and then they linked the story back to your website to give the readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly come and buy some things from you, some materials from you. So using a tool that we have here and we call Ahrefs, we can see here a lot of things for your online presence, for your website. This tool is very valuable and it costs quite a lot to an agency of our size. And we get a very good idea of what's working well for you and what's not. This is not 100% accurate, but this tool basically shows that you have 7 referring domains that give you 37 backlinks. And if we click on the backlinks, we will see, based on your ranking on the maps earlier, that you have a lot of directories over here. So yellow pages, a lot of yellow pages here, and this is basically your backlink structure. And if we go and we analyze that, in order to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you are getting as many places as your competition is in, and then get into some places that they are not, so that you are completely overtaking them. And just like with the citations, with the backlinks, you want to make sure that you are in more places, but those places are giving you 41 organic keywords and approximately 10 people on average that they are visiting your website each month, which is a little bit low, considering that nowadays people are looking a lot in the websites and check a lot for your services. Now, like I said, this is not 100% accurate. The most accurate information can be found from your Google Analytics if you have that set up correctly. But what I can tell from here is that we can get an idea of what is working out for you and where your traffic is coming from. And so we see mainly that this is very low traffic keywords that you are ranking in #1 place. And then as we go down, you see Mulch Apex that has a volume of 100 searches. You are in 14th place. Let's take a look of a competitor's website over here, Triangle Landscape Supplies, for instance. What these guys are doing, they have like 85 referring domains that gives them 1,120 backlinks, and then he's found for 2,900 keywords, and this is bringing him 2,100 people on average on his website. So this shows you the power that a good website presence has. And if we go and we click here, we can see the keywords, those 2,900 keywords he's ranking for, and we can see the position that he's in there. And what we can do is, as I said, he he gets everything like topsoil, currency. He's like triangle mounts, stones, currency. He's dominating the keywords over here. So what you can do is that you can start to pick the keywords that can be useful for you, and which one you would like to go after. So, like I said, you just gotta get in more places than your competition to truly beat them out online. So that's all I got for you today. I also noticed that I didn't find any Facebook page linking here, neither an Instagram page. That's an example of an Instagram page that we are handling. We took it like 2.5 months ago, 3 months ago, with like 26 followers. We have grown it organically to around 700, and we have improved how it looks here, and we have used Tap Link in order to be able to have some links to some interesting articles that we are posting here. So because Instagram doesn't allow you to do more than one, it's not like Facebook where you can have the link of what you are referring to. It only gives you room for one link. We post here and we tell people to link the bio and go and see and read the article that we are talking about over here. You see here we make use of all hashtags so people can search for us organically, and believe me, this is also a very important tool for a business like yours to utilize the use of social media. It's something that we do very well. Anyway, that's all I wanted to let you know, and as I told you, if you want to learn more about how Epilysis Solutions can help grow your business and bring you some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you, and there were a lot, I think. And just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great rest of December, and I hope that you enjoy your holidays. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.